Hey guys, so today I'm gonna open this ScrawlrBox, and I apologize for all the background crackling. My cats are in the room with me, so I apologize for future interruptions as well. As you know, last month I got the ArtSnacks box, and I decided this month I'm gonna try out a different type of art subscription box. So ScrawlrBox was what I picked, and they're roughly the same price. So I thought that would be a good comparison between the two. This one actually is like a UK based subscription box, so that's kind of cool too. Let's open this November ScrawlrBox and see what's in there. This is such great tape. I need a smaller bladed scissors. Okay, got those. Now I gotta get the side one. Okay, ready? The reveal. Okay, so, let's scoot this that direction. Why are there little random? Okay, that must be from the box, I guess. Oh, things are falling. Things are falling out. Ooh, that's a graphite stick. Okay, so we got a little stick, a little melody pop. Focus, camera. Focus. And our sticker. And we'll not look at that yet because that has all the things. That's a pretty sticker. Come on, camera. There we go. Pretty sticker. Ooh, we got a gel pen. What kind of gel pen are you? Pentel. Gel ink. White gel pen. We'll see how that compares with my jelly rollers that I always use. We got a Koh-i-Noor Hardmuth. Yeah, words I can't pronounce. A 2B pencil. Cool. A black gel pen or just a pen? Why does it have, whoa, why does it have this? Like a little, it has two of the little pen things. Weird. So we got an Alien Helix Oxford pen. A Bic pen, I'm assuming maybe blue. We'll swatch everything. And a pink version. And then we have some colored pencils, it looks like. Ooh. They're like slightly triangular shaped. Just slightly. Detler ones, and then a white one of the name I can't pronounce. Come on, camera. Come on. There we go. Oh, I should probably turn it upside down. There we go. The name I can't pronounce. And then we got a blue one. And the outside of these pencils are like smooth and like nice feeling. So that's cool. They were made in Germany. Fun fact. Oh, and then we got a purple pen. Fun. All these colors are fun. And they match the sticker. We're matching, guys. And we got a graphite stick from the same name that I can't pronounce. That's cool. And then we got our little blending stump, tortillon, probably for the graphite. So that's pretty cool. Cool, we got a wide array of colors and stuff. Oh, let's look at the... There's another thing. There's a sketchbook, guys. There's a sketchbook. What? So, already I'm thinking this was a way better deal than my last box. Ooh, that's pretty. So, this is the artist of the month for them. Sorry for the sun glare there. That's fun. Taylor Brooker, illustrator and graphic designer from the UK. Come on, camera. Do yours. This is pretty. I guess I never think about doing like shading and sketch type stuff in other colors besides just the regular like black gray tones and stuff, but this is kind of cool. And we got a sketchbook. I can't even, guys. That's a lot of stuff compared to... Okay, wait, let's compare, because I still have all the things pretty much from the last box. Okay, so comparison time. This was the card from last time, and then these were all the supplies from the October box for ArtSnacks. So there's 4 fine liners in here, just so you know. There's those 4 different colors of fine liners, and I found out these fine liners, actually you can't use water with them, like you can't use watercolor with them, so that kind of sucked when I found that out. So otherwise we got an acrylic marker, and then this pretty looking brush. It's not really a brush pen, even though it looks like it should be one. It didn't really work like a brush pen. And then I've used jelly rollers all the time. The jelly roller white gel pen. So I'm interested to see how this one works in comparison. But I mean, like, and I got a candy. There was a little candy too. But I mean, I don't know if ArtSnacks is always like this, but comparison, you decide. Okay, so going back to this, we have skimming over some of the stuff. For November, we have jammed the products into this month's box, but we want you to try and create something using just a single item or only one color. Take inspiration from our featured artist and challenge yourself to see what effects you can create with a single item. But there's so many to choose from. Throw caution to the wind and try using them all at once. Good luck. So yeah, so we have our Bic ballpoint pens, our Staedtler ErgoSoft 157 pencil, our Pentel Hybrid DX white gel pen, that sounds like a super fancy gel pen, our Jumbo graphite stick, our Helix Oxford ballpoint pen in black, and the Koh-i-Noor 1860 graphite pencil, and the eraser pencil. What is an eraser? A soft thermoplastic rubber contained in a pencil for erasing graphite. What? So that's... Hold on. I'm lost. I'm lost in all the things. Which one is that? This one? I thought it was just a white pencil, but it erases graphite. This pencil is made from 100% FSC, sustainably resourced wood, and can be sharpened like any regular pencil for detailed erasing. Fancy. And then the stump or blender or tortillon, if you want to use that. That's for blending the graphite out into shading things. And then the Lecterm Jotbook Medium A5 sketchbook. So the ScrawlrBox challenge for the month is body parts. And it says, each month we provide you with a selection of art supplies and inspiration, but we also want to spark your creativity. Every month we'll give you a challenge word or phrase to be interpreted however you wish. Try and create something using only the supplies in the box. Good luck, and don't forget to share your creations with us. Sun glare. So yeah. Now we will use all the things and start the first page, I guess, in the sketchbook. I haven't finished the sketchbook I'm on right now, but we'll just ignore that fact and jump into this one. Okay, so first of all, I just want to take the minute to like appreciate this page and ignore the sun glare. So it has, so all the pages are numbered like it said, but you can like write down the pages here and then like make a table of contents, so you can like say what page is what at the beginning, so that's pretty cool. And now I'm gonna put stickers on it, cause why not? Okay, so I'm gonna do a time lapse of just swatching these out, and then I'll come back and maybe talk about some. Okay, so I went through and I did all the swatches for stuff, and I actually, there's a couple things. So these, the Bic pens, all of them had like a little wax cover on each of the tips, the nibs. I'm assuming to stop them from drying out when they're in the packaging, which was kind of cool to me, so I had to like peel them off, all of these, before I could actually write with them. I didn't know they did that, but that's pretty neat. This eraser pencil is pretty spiffy too, because as you see I tried it here and it like completely erased stuff, and so that'll be good for highlights. But yeah, that's all that really like I have to say about it. So I'm excited to get to the challenge, which is next. This is my attempt at just using one art supply from the box. I tried to do like a little kitty nose and face with the pink colored pencil, and I realized like the whole thing is shaped more triangular, so like even this point is, so I have no idea how I'm supposed to sharpen it, or if it like wears itself down, but like a normal pencil sharpener is not gonna work because it's triangular. Not quite sure how that's supposed to work, so I'll have to like look up how to make sure these are sharpened and stuff. It might say on the thing, but I don't know. So that was interesting to find out, but now I'm gonna try to do something with using everything. So right now I noticed that this is definitely a thinner paper meant for more like pencil sketching in this sketchbook, because you can see the cat face through the paper. So this is definitely just for doing pencil sketches and not stuff that's gonna bleed through to the next page. So this is what I came up with the theme body parts and using all of the supplies in the box. I know this box is the November box, but since I'm doing this video in December, I just imagined elves with all like the body parts of dolls and like toys and stuff. So I drew a little illustration of that. These were kind of hard to use all together. Like, I don't know, I feel like this by itself with the other things like the eraser, pencil, and the little tortillon blending stump are kind of solo their own thing, and then like these pens and colored pencils are like solo their own like sketching, drawing mediums, because you can like shade things in with the pencils and then like darken areas with the pens. I filled everything I could with all the things I had, and I realized that, or didn't realize that it takes a while for the ink of these pens to actually dry, so I actually smudged it and got some on my arm, but that's fine. These are really nice pens. They have good ink in them, so I should have known. But yeah, so this is what I came up with, this little doodle illustration. For me, this box was a pretty good box and has a lot of stuff that I think will help me out with just filling sketchbooks and stuff, and I really don't need a ton of the things with me, so that's nice too. So this was the November Scrawler box. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. I'm not sure what other art box I'd want to try that's in like the $20 range. I don't want to really go up to the $50 ones, but if you have any suggestions of boxes you would like to see me try, let me know in the comments. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more art videos. I don't really have a set schedule. If you enjoy art related things, this is definitely the channel for you. But yeah, I hope you have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you next time.